Thank you for coming back to my channel for your stimulus check and stimulus package update. Please subscribe to my channel, leave me your thumbs up, please share this video out, it would help me tremendously, and please leave your comments, I'd love to read them. Y'all please check out the link below, it's for my new book. Actually, I've got 2 new books on my website, check those out. They're both geared to help you start your own business, and they also have online business ideas and how to get them started, because a lot of people say they want to start a business, they just don't know what they want to do. These 2 books will help you. Either one will help you, but both of them be a lot more information for you. Be sure and check those out. Okay, we know the House has passed the Postal Service funding. I don't believe this is going anywhere, because the Mooch man has said that the Postal Service has enough money and they will be fine. He's not worried about them. Big surprise. We know he's not worried about us. Donald Trump's unemployment boost will run out this month. You know, it was only for 3 weeks, so let's just hope they extend that longer for the people that desperately needs it. We know some of the things that Nancy Polosi wants in her stimulus package. But when Mark Meadows asked her for a list of what she wants in it, she says, "I can't tell you that. You will just have to trust the Speaker of the House." I don't care who she is. I don't care who he is. If somebody asks me for a blank check, they're not getting it. And it sounds like that's what she's asking for. Would you give anybody a blank check? Donald Trump's payroll tax cut. Y'all, employers don't want it. Employees don't want it. People on Social Security, SSI, and SSDI don't want it. But Donald Trump does want it. President Trump, how about doing something that the people wants? That's what we voted you in office for. We thought you was on our side. But it looks like you're trying to get this payroll tax cut passed to help you. It's not going to help us a bit. Y'all, please subscribe to this channel and give me a thumbs up, leave your comments. And in case you missed it this morning, I want to tell you about my how to make money videos that I have here every Saturday at 2 p.m. I'm thinking about moving those over to my vlogs channel, because those videos are not getting very many views at all, and it is hurting this channel. I have noticed a big drop in views since I've been doing them, because it's not what we normally talk about, so YouTube does not push them out to people. And the smaller amount of views makes it look like people are not interested in my channel. But we know that's not true, because it's growing fast. Or at least it was until I started doing them. So I can do 1 or 2 things. I can put the information about making money at the end of the stimulus videos on this channel. That will make some people mad, because they come here for the stimulus stuff. They don't come here for how to make money stuff. So that will make them mad, and that could hurt the channel. Or I could move them over to the vlogs channel that I've already got set up, and I could do them over there, and I could do more videos over there than just on Saturdays. And also, you know, I've got a $1,000 giveaway on this channel when we reach 100,000 subscribers. That's not too far away. Well, on that other channel, I will have a $500 giveaway when we reach 1,000 and 4,000 watch hours. Basically, when I get monetized over there, I will have the $500 giveaway over there. Y'all let me know what you want me to do. Either way is fine with me. And please pick up that new book that I've got. I've got 2 books on my website. They're both new. Both of them is geared to making money online and how to set up your business and business ideas. I think both books are very good books. Get one or get them both. And just know, I love you all, and I'll see you next time. Ciao.